Now we are going to create this mini profile. So we back to the project, and under the components we add another files called miniprofile.js, and then we type _RAFCE, and then we add the class name with fresh and then item center, and then justify between, and then we add the margin top of 10 units and also the margin left of 10 units, and then we add the avatars with the DCUI avatar class name, and then we also add the width and height of 14 pixels. So if you back to the website, and then we add another div with flex 1 and margin x4. The margin x4, so this has the horizontal margin of 4 units, and then we have the x2 with the font bold, and then we type the username, and then we also add another headings of h3, and then with the class name equal to small text, and we have a gray color of 14 units, and then we type welcome to Instagram, and then at last we have to add the sign out button. So we add a button with the class of text blue 400, and then the text small, and then the font semi bold, and then we add sign out. So now we can go back to the feed, and then we import these to here, and we have to use a div to wrap the mini profile because we want to fix this. So we add the div with class name fixed, and then we add mini profile. Now we can see this mini profile already appeared, and the reason that we add the fix, as you can see, we can scroll and the mini profile still fixed at these sections.